Szechuan Soup. A side dish from China. Serves 8. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. In a small bowl, place dried mushrooms and cover with boiling water. Stand for 30 minutes, drain. Remove stems. Cut caps into thin slices. Step 2. Cut pork, ham and pepper into matchstick strips. Chop onions finely. Cut water chestnuts into thin slices. Cut bean curd into half-inch cubes. Step 3. In a 5-quart Dutch oven, combine chicken stock, wine, soy sauce and chili sauce. Cook over medium heat until soup boils. Reduce heat and simmer uncovered for 5 minutes. Step 4. Blend cornstarch and 4 tablespoons water. Slowly add it into soup. Cook and stir until soup boils. Add mushrooms, pork, ham, pepper and water chestnuts. Simmer 5. Uncovered for 5 minutes. Stir vinegar and oil into soup. Beat egg and remaining 1 tablespoon water together. Gradually drizzle egg into soup while stirring soup vigorously. Add onions, bean curd and shrimp. Country Reports. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Countries, travel.